Hello children, how are you all today? Fine, good. Now, today what are we going to do? Yes, do you all know, do you all remember which festival is going to come? Correct, Ganesh Utsav. Okay, now what did Ganpati Bappa like? Modak, right? Even we too like Modak, isn't it? Okay, so now for that I'll show you one how to make modak with the ingredients what we have at our home. Okay, now children, if you want you can make, but you have to take the help of your parents. Okay, now for that I'll show you what all ingredients we need. Now I have took here Oreo biscuit. You can take Oreo biscuit if you have at your home. If you don't have, it's okay, you can take any other cream biscuit. Okay, one packet will be enough because from that you can make many modaks. Okay, at least 5 to 6 modak you can make at a time. Okay, then what is this? Oreo biscuit. Then can take sugar. I have to sugar. What is this? Milk. Then this is milk maid. I have took instead of sugar, I'm going to put milk maid. So I have took here milk maid. If you want, you can take sugar, but you have to grind it. It should be very thin because it should be melted. And I have took here mold of a modak. We can make with the hand as well. That's not an issue. And little bit ghee. Okay. Now I'll show you step by step what and how to do. Now first what I'm going to do, I'm going to take this Oreo biscuit. I'm going to open it. Then even I have took the spoon. Okay, now here I took one bowl. In that what I'm going to do is I'm going to remove this cream with the help of a spoon so that hand doesn't become sticky. Okay, you have to remove the whole cream. Okay, then we get this blank one, isn't it? Now after this we have to break it, or without break also you can mix. Now I took your mixture grinder. I'm going to mix it. What I'm going to do, I'm going to grind it. Okay, so here I'm going to grind it. Now after grinding it, I'll get a thin mixture. Okay, like a powdery. I'll show you how. Now once I have okay, while grinding it, see to it, it should not be too much grinded because it may leave some oil or something if the biscuit have. You want very dry one. Okay, after that now in a instead of small bowl we can put in a big one. Okay, now we have to remove that mixture either with the help of a spoon or with the help of a hand. Okay, now after removing this we'll get very thin powdery type. Okay, now in this we are going to mix either if you are taking sugar. So when you are taking of a whole biscuit packet if you are using it, you need 4 to 5 spoon of sugar, but it should be grinded one. Okay, because it should be melt in this. Okay, after that now instead of that I'm going to use this one. What is this? Milk maid. Okay, why? Because we have removed the cream from it, so little bit sugar we need, right? So I'm going to pour this how much? At least 1 teaspoon. Okay, 1 teaspoon I'm going to pour in this like this. See, yeah, see how it looks, because it is very thick. Okay, if you are using sugar then also it's okay. So you have to mix it very nicely and see to it that it should not be very thin. Okay, because we have to put in a mold, it should be little bit dough type. Okay, now We cannot put more and more sugar or this, because it will become too sweet and it is not good for our health, isn't it? Now after doing this, now it won't be too much, we cannot put too much sugar. So what we'll be doing, we'll be putting little milk, a very little. Okay, you can put with the help of a sugar as well, and then again you're going to mix it very well. Okay, so after mixing it, what we will get, we'll get the like this thickness. Okay, you can see. So when you're doing like this, it should be round. We can make as a shape, for a shape purpose. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to take this mold. Now on this mold, I'm going to apply little ghee in it. Okay, why we want ghee? Very little. Okay, because it should not stick in this, isn't it? So I'll apply little ghee in this. Okay, and then what I'll do, I'll keep this in a side, and first I'm going to make a laddu. Okay, how it will be? Round. You all are making with the help of a clay, isn't it? Yes. Now after doing this, we are going to put in this. Okay, and as the shape of this is little V type, so we have to take little V type, and then we are going to press it. Now after pressing, you can see some extras are coming out. It's okay, you can remove this extras from this, and then when you will open it, what will be the magic? You will get the shape of a modak. Yes, you can see. Yes, this is the shape of a modak, and Ganpati love modak. Yes, so you can make this. Now if you don't have the mold, what you can do is just do it round. Okay, make a laddu, and with the help of a fingers, we have this 5 fingers, with the help of a fingers, just take it upside. Okay, upwards. Now pressing upward, so you get this modak shape. Is it same? Yes. So if you don't have mold, you can make with the help of this. Now one more magic. Now we have kept this this cream with us. Now what are we going to do? We are going to use this cream in this. Now when you are making this laddu, right? See, like this you are making a laddu, and then you are going to put a finger in between. Now in that finger, you are going to take a cream little bit, and just with the help of 2 fingers to make it round. In that you are going to put it like this, like a peda we can see. Then from the all 4 sides, we are going to press it and try to take it upward. Okay, now when you are taking upwards, again you can see the shape of a modak. So when you will eat, you will get a creamy inside, and that sweetness also. Isn't it nice? Now same way, in a mold also we can do it. Now how we can do in a mold, I'll show you. Now for that, again you have to take little bit, and you have to take a circle. Okay, laddu type. Now here again we need to apply little ghee, so it should not be sticky. Okay, now all 3 have applied ghee. Again putting in this, giving the shape. Yes, you can see that shape. Then I'm pressing it, and I'm closing this. I'm pressing it, but over here also, here what you are going to do, you are going to put a finger in between, or you can take something, spoon, or just with the help of a finger also, it's okay. Little bit, just a hole, and You can see hole now in this. Now same way we are going to take this cream. Okay, now in that for a small we have took a circle, right? Now in this we are going to take little like this shape, a big standing one, because modak is little big. So in this you are going to press it. Now what you can do, again take little bit cocoa, this chocolate one, this biscuit one, and just press it like this, and you can press like this. Or else if you have your extra, when you are pressing it, so when you are putting a cream in this, you can just cover it and just neatly see that it should get the proper base. Okay, now extras one we are going to remove it. Okay, after that when we will open, we are going to get, yes, surprise. So are you waiting for the surprise? Here we go. Now you can see you got the modak. Yeah, you can see lines and all. See? So when you will eat this type of also modak, or God will also eat, He will also love and you will also love to eat. Okay, so did you all like it? Are you going to make? Okay, no issue. If you want to make, you can make. If you don't, it's okay. Okay, but you have to take your parents' help. Okay, because grinding and all, it's not easy for small children, right? So after that, we can put in a plate, and you can keep in a nice decoration type. Okay, so did you all like it? Yes. So all the best and bye.